Hi guys, and welcome to the Colorful Gardener. Today I want to do a quick vlog and talk to you about some new things that are happening for 2019. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing and liking this video. Okay guys, so today I wanted to make a video about my New Year's resolution for 2019. And I've been thinking about it for a while now, and there is something that's been on my mind lately, and it's mostly the unboxing videos. While I have really enjoyed making them, they have gotten to be really expensive to do. I've done a lot of unboxing videos this year, and I've purchased a lot of plants. So I need to scale back on that, and I need to focus on this channel and gardening videos, and also I need to focus on my own garden care business here in the upstate of South Carolina. Focus on getting tools for my business and getting marketing, getting like posters out and flyers out. So I'm gonna be taking a break from unboxing videos. I really enjoyed making them. I thought it was a lot of fun. Showing you guys what I got and showing all the different cool places you can buy really interesting plants from. I like knowing where there are different plants you can get online. You know, I hate going to the same place every year, quote unquote, my nursery, and finding the same plants. I love finding new and interesting plants, and I know you guys do too, and that's why you guys are watching these unboxing videos, to see where you can get some interesting plants. Lately I've been doing a lot of rose unboxing, mail order nurseries, and before that I was doing a lot of perennial places, a lot of places that sell perennial plants, and I really enjoyed making those, but it got really expensive, and so I'm gonna have to take a break. Then I'll be doing 2 unboxing videos in the springtime, but I won't tell you guys where. They've already been purchased, so they're on the way. They'll be a little surprise, but other than those 2, I think I've got 1 more coming out in the next week, and that is it for 2019. I'm gonna maybe do some more after May, which is my birthday, but for 6 months I'm gonna take a break from buying plants. Oh my God, taking a break from buying plants. How insane is that? Yeah, so for any gardener, that is a challenge to not buy plants for a while, but I'm gonna take that challenge for 6 months. I'm not gonna buy any plants online. If I do buy plants, it's gonna be from my local nursery to show you guys how to do some planting for certain plants. I already have a lot of plants I can put out in my garden. Right now, I just wanna focus on showing you guys how to do other gardening things right now. I sat back and looked at all the videos I've done. I was like, I've done a lot of unboxing videos, I think a lot for a gardening channel. I think I need to step back and start doing more gardening videos for you guys. I think unboxing videos are more of a treat, and then the gardening how-tos are the beef of any gardening channel, and I really want to give you guys that. So when I sat down and thought about all these videos I'm making, what I really enjoyed the most making, shockingly, was making the old historic rose video for you guys. When I was working at Riverbanks Botanical Garden, I really enjoyed making that video with Tara Aiello. I like going to botanical gardens. I like seeing new gardens and talking to horticulturists. That's what I really enjoyed. I am going to do more of those types of videos. I'm thinking about doing some videos at Clemson Botanical Garden, also called South Carolina Botanical Gardens. I don't want to spoil any videos that are coming out, but there will be some new gardening videos featured there. Some other places around South Carolina. There are a lot of gardens in South Carolina. You know, if you start to look, you'll see there are some places to visit, and I want to share with you guys those places to go to. So I also want to talk in a year in review of the videos I've made. You guys really enjoyed the garden tour videos. Not surprised at all. I've noticed on YouTube there's a lot of garden tour videos, and they get a lot of hits, and I understand why gardeners do it. Second most viewed video right now to date is the back garden tour, which I'm very happy you guys enjoyed looking at, because that was a big mess for the longest time. It was really hard building that garden back there. It was really heavy clay. It was bright, broiling sun, and it was just really hard. So that's why I chose to do a cactus garden, and I chose to do a jungle garden, because it's really hot and humid back there. The soil's really mucky, so I know that plants that I grow back there are gonna really enjoy that moisture and that heavy clay. So I'm really happy with how it's turned out. This is the first year it's actually looked like a jungle garden, so I'm really happy with that. I'm happy you guys enjoyed it. The #1 video you guys enjoyed the most so far, which I'm really happy, is my front garden, which brings me so much happiness to me. You know, I've been working on that part of the garden for the longest time, for about 8 years now, and I have worked so hard on it, pulling plants out, putting plants in, seeing that plants that die, and I'm like, oh my gosh, why did you die? You were $20. And you know, learning so much. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but every year I go through a phase of plants that I really love. So the first one was dahlias. I really loved dahlias for a full year, and I bought like every type. And then I moved on to salvias and bought like every type of salvia. And now it's roses. I took a break, and it was because all different perennials, and now it's roses. But each phase taught me something, that these certain plants will or will not grow in my garden. Dahlias will grow in my garden, but they require a lot of work. Salvias will also grow in my garden, but they do not like my cold, wet winters I have and my heavy clay. So a lot of them have passed on to the plant heaven. And roses, I'm learning, you know, are a staple here in the Southeast, and I can't believe I've missed this plant and growing it in my garden. So many gardeners have grown roses and in the past, and we aren't doing it now. I'm like, why I didn't even learn about this in horticulture school, but knowing that roses are a big part of the southern garden. And I learned that by working at Riverbanks Botanical Garden and befriending Tara Ayala, who maintained the historic rose garden. And there are so many wonderful roses to grow in the Southeast, and just people aren't growing them because they don't know anything about them. And I will give you one little teaser of what I want to do this year. This year, I want to do a series about roses, all the different types. That's all I'm saying. I'm going to do a really nice video series about them. No more, no mas. I really have enjoyed roses, and I want to share that with you guys. So we've gone over what my New Year's resolution is. No more unboxing videos for a while, guys. I need to take a break from that. Oh, if there are any mail order nurseries watching this and they want to send me plants, for sure, my email link is in the bottom. Let's collaborate. I have no problem sending me stuff. I will definitely unbox some stuff for you guys. If there are people that want me to try new things, my email is in the bottom link. Check it out. And you know, this channel is slowly growing. I'm really happy. While this is a very small channel right now, I'm hoping to see it grow into something very large. And I hope that, you know, this is helping you guys grow as gardeners. I know I'm not the best gardener. I don't think there is really the best gardener out there, but what I'm learning as a gardener and as a horticulturist, being in this field, that no one is going to know everything. Trust and believe. The horticultural industry is just too big to know everything. So by taking a piece here, taking a piece here, taking a piece here from somebody, you are gaining your knowledge, and it's getting bigger and bigger on what you want to expand on. So for me, my thing is color in your garden. I want to get the brightest, the best floriferous plants, and that's what I specialize in. Good perennials, good roses, good shrubs that give you lots of color. And I'm hoping that you guys will take that and use it in your own garden, because I'm so tired of driving by houses and seeing blah and boring landscapes. It's just cookie cutter neighborhoods with a couple osmanthus and a couple Indian hawthorns out there, and there's nothing else. It's like, come on guys, what is going on here? It's like we are living in this nightmare of just blah neighborhoods. Get out there and put some color in your front garden. If not anything, your back garden. Your pollinators will thank you. Planting one flower will help a dozen pollinators in your area. Trust and believe. Again, guys, I have had so much fun this year making these videos for you. I hope to make tons more in 2019. Again, my name is Josh, and if you really like this video, hit that like button, share with all your gardening friends, The Colorful Gardener. You know, you've got some gardening friends out there and they want to learn some more about gardening. Share the link, share this channel, share everything with your friends. You know, sharing is caring. And again, my name is Josh. You've been watching The Colorful Gardener, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the future gardening videos.